Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a different sort of video. I'm going to talk about how I cleared my hyperpigmentation. Now, I got quite a few requests to do this video, and to the people that have asked for the video, I explained to them I don't have any before and after pics. I know, because I wasn't really planning on doing a video, and the way my stuff is set up here, I can't do the whole demo of being in the bathroom and putting my stuff on and washing my face and all of that. So I asked if it was okay for me to just do a talk through and tell you guys about the products I used, and everybody overwhelmingly said yes. Now, if you've looked at my channel for a while, if you've been subscribed for a while, I think you probably would have like the memory of how bad my hyperpigmentation was. I don't think my neck and my face is ever going to be the same color. That's just the way it is. But my face was significantly darker than my neck because of my hyperpigmentation, especially in my laugh lines and around my mouth. It was so bad, like really, really bad, and under my eyes. So I was so frustrated with it that I wasn't using sunscreen, which was a big mistake that I made. So right now I'm on camera. I figured if I'm going to do this video, I'm not going to put any face makeup on. So I have no makeup on. I just want you guys to see my skin. And I'm so happy with it. Okay, so let's just jump into the products that I use. So I decided to go natural because I did so much research. I was looking at so many YouTube videos. I looked at videos. There's a dermatologist on there. All these retinols and this, that, and the third. Everything was so expensive. It was so confusing. And just a quick little backstory. Remember, as a little girl, my mom, every time she had any kind of problem with her face or something, she'll just take fruits, mix them together, or she'll just use the fruit, the skin, to wipe on her face as a mask. And it always worked for her because fruits and, natural stuff has more antioxidants and stuff like that. Anyway, so the Turmeric Mask. That's how I started, and that to me made such a big difference. It really, really cleared it. Now, I make my turmeric mask with, and these are so easy to get. Turmeric mask, you pick it up in your local grocery store. So, ground turmeric, plain Greek yogurt, and organic honey. So I mix 2 spoons of the Greek yogurt, 2 spoons of turmeric powder, and 1 spoon of the organic honey. And after mixing, it will look like this. It looks like a bright yellow. And I usually apply to my face with a makeup brush. Now, I looked at so many videos of turmeric masks, and a lot of people did it without adding the yogurt and the honey. I wanted to add those two to give it some moisture, and I know honey is very good for your skin and stuff like that. Now, with me, I went overboard, and I used my turmeric mask every day for 30 days. Every day, every morning I got up, I did the turmeric mask. It was a lot of work, because when the turmeric dries, it takes a lot to get it off, and then it stains. Most importantly, if you're going to use the turmeric mask, wear a glove, because it stains your fingers, it stains your nails, and it stains your face. So after you wash it off, make sure you go back in with like a damp. I used to go back in with a warm washcloth and just go over my face and just wipe until I see the yellow is gone. Now, a lot of videos I saw, people were leaving it on for 30 minutes. I left mine on for 45 minutes. Like I said, your girl went overboard. I just wanted it gone. So I literally painted it on my face like you would do a mask, and then you would feel it get really, really tight, and then it would like dry, and then I would take it off. Now I'm down to doing it once a week because, the way, my skin looks pretty clear. And I started seeing results at about maybe the 8th or 9th day. It was very slight, but it was good enough for me, and I just continued. I was very aggressive, yes. Now, I'm going to say I hope this works for you, because I know everything doesn't work for everybody, but I think also it depends on how much hyperpigmentation you have. I had so much to where my whole head, if you looked at me, you would think my head did not belong on my body. It was bad. So that's what I use for my turmeric mask. And then what I've added to, and all these things are very natural and they're very reasonable because you can just pick it up. My African black soap. Now, this is very ratchet. I have it in a Ziploc bag. But hey, I'm telling you guys how I cleared it, and this is the stuff I use. So this came, you see how big it is? I got this from Amazon. It came in this big chunk, so it couldn't fit in the soap dish or anything. So I said, you know, I'm gonna put it in the Ziploc bag, and I keep it in my bathroom. And most importantly, because I did research on African black soap as well, and this is pure. And African black soap really isn't supposed to be black. It's supposed to be brown, like this color right here. And you can find it on Amazon. It doesn't really have any smell or anything like that. And this is supposed to be very good for your skin and clearing dark marks as well. This, though, can be drying. So if you're going to use African black soap, make sure you use a lot of moisturizer. And that's what I do. I moisturize quite a bit. But for me, most importantly, I do not use this twice a day. I only use this at night to wash my makeup off. If I don't wear makeup, let's say there's like a no makeup day, which I can do now because I feel more comfortable with my skin, I'll just wash with my regular moisturizer. When I initially started the process of trying to clear my hyperpigmentation, I was doing it every night regardless. Like I said, it can be drying. So just make sure after, and then the turmeric can be drying as well. So you're going to have to moisturize quite a bit, but I think it's worth it. And like I said, for me, I was very aggressive. So I was using this every night, but not twice a day. I don't use it in the mornings. I only use it at night. And then the last thing that I'm using, and I think has been a great help as well in definitely clearing the hyperpigmentation, the dark marks, is my African Shea Butter. This is what it looks like. This is also yellow. I got from TJ Maxx. I had also purchased one off of Amazon. That one was like a white color, and I don't really like that one that much, but I like this one a lot. And I think they call this in, God, I hope I'm not butchering this. I think they call it uri or something in Africa. And I saw videos on this where there was one particular video I saw with this girl. She had, her hyperpigmentation was like so bad. She looked as though she got burnt. And this is all she used. And her face just started getting clearer and clearer. So I added this. The thing with this, though, I only use this at night as my moisturizer. It's very heavy, very thick, and very oily. So I use it at night. It does not, don't try to put your makeup over this. It will be a total disaster. I learned that the hard way. So I only use this at night when I take my makeup off. I put my serum and stuff like that. My final step to moisturize is this shea butter, and this is balm. And so the combination of these things has done this for my face. And if you have been watching me, you know what my face looked like, and I suffered a lot of negative comments about it, about the difference between my neck and my face. I need to be color matched, you're wearing the wrong foundation, because of the difference in my skin. And I really wanted to do something about it. And let me tell you, it's such a confidence booster, because I used to hide behind, because like before the pandemic, like if I had to run my son to school or something, I would put big sunglasses on. I felt like I was just always trying to hide my hyperpigmentation. And I'm like, why am I doing that? I have to fix it. So now, I mean, we're wearing masks and stuff like that, but now I feel more comfortable just being barefaced. Like I don't really care, because I'm not so conscious of my hyperpigmentation. So like I said, I've been using my Tumeric mask only once a week now. I do it every Friday. And I'm going to list everything in the description box, just in case you guys, forget. And I'm going to put the recipe for my turmeric mask that worked for me If you decide to try any of these things, I really hope it works for you. It definitely worked for me. As you can see, I'm so happy and proud of the way my skin looked. Like my whole chin was literally black. And I love the fact that I was able to do it without using all these expensive skincare stuff that I saw out there. All the stuff is so affordable. It's all very natural, and it has worked for me, and I absolutely love it. And I absolutely love my black soap. It's gonna last me forever. You guys see how big it is. So you can get that off of Amazon. Check your local TJ Maxx. They always have like African Shea Butter. I would recommend this yellow one. And it's from, the brand is called OK Pure Natural. I mean, I would recommend this, of course, because this is the one I've been using, and this has definitely helped as well. Like I said, I use it every night. So I just wanted to make this quick video for all the people that asked. This is how I clear my hyperpigmentation. So I'm sorry I don't have any before and after pics and all that stuff. So if you're here for the first time, please don't come for me. Oh, how do we know you cleared it? There's no before and after pics. Just go back, look at my old videos, and you'll see. My hyperpigmentation was like really bad. So, and I hope, like I said, not everything works for everybody, but I really hope if you guys decide to try it, my remedy, that it works for you guys, because it works for me. And of course, just as important, sunscreen. It makes no sense if you use all these things and you clear up your hyperpigmentation and you do not use sunscreen. It was a huge mistake I made, because not only, of course, you're protecting your skin from the damage and UV rays of the sun, it definitely helps with the hyperpigmentation. So please don't forget to use sunscreen every day. I know it's a step. Sometimes you don't want to do all of that, but do it if you want to keep your skin clear and free from hyperpigmentation. Sunscreen is an essential part of your routine. All right, guys. Bye.